The role of a blended learning math teacher. Lesson 4. Video overview. Blended learning provides an appropriate balance between online instruction, which offers the interactive, text-based learning, individualized pacing, and privacy that keeps students continuously engaged and motivated, and teacher-led instruction, which personalizes the learning experience and adds the human elements of encouragement, compassion, and caring guidance that only teachers can give. In Lesson 4, you will focus on the role of a blended learning math teacher and articulate the key components and job responsibilities. You will develop a script to introduce what a blended learning teacher does and, based on your current knowledge, describes the key benefits of the classroom model. Finally, you will submit a video link articulating your role as a blended learning math teacher. Blended learning shifts the teacher's role from knowledge provider to coach and mentor. This shift does not mean that teachers play a passive or less important role in students' education. Quite the contrary, with blended learning, teachers can have an even more profound influence and effect on students' learning. Blended learning provides an appropriate balance between online instruction, which offers the interactive, text-based learning, individualized pacing, and privacy that keeps students continuously engaged and motivated, and teacher-led instruction, which personalizes the learning experience and adds the human elements of encouragement, compassion, and caring guidance that only teachers can give. After completing this module, the learner will be able to Objective 1.1 Articulate the role of a blended learning math teacher. Objective 1.2 Develop a script explaining what a blended learning math teacher does. Objective 1.3 Create a video submission, including the different components of the blended learning math teacher role. To-do list. Review textbook Part 3 Section 10 Training Teachers and Other Leaders, page 149. Watch Lesson 1 video. What blended learning looks like in the classroom. What blended learning looks like in the classroom. Post your response to the following question through the class discussion forum. Question 1. Provide a definition of blended learning teacher in your own words. Very briefly summarize highlights of its history and describe its relevance in your content. Please integrate what you learned from Section 10 in the book this week with your own experience. Upload Assignment 1 Articulating the role of a blended learning math teacher under Lesson 1 module. Complete the role of a blended learning math teacher 10-question quiz under Lesson 4 module. Due dates. All work is due at the end of the semester. Any late work will not be accepted after the due date for each assignment or quizzes. Assessments. Complete the graded assignment activity and upload it to the course for grading. Video submission articulating the role of a blended learning math teacher. Write a script or key points that you would use to explain your role and the impact it has on student learning at your campus to your performance manager. Be sure to articulate the components of your role and their impact clearly, concisely, and in terms that will result in buy-in from your manager, staff, and parents. Submit the video URL to the Assignments tab under the comments.